only repeat these two words that God himself used to create reality. Only repeat these two words. If that's the only thing you ever do, you can get everything that you want in your life. Because I'm about to share something so powerful. Once you understand it, you may never need to watch another manifestation video again. And I say this as someone who has a channel on it. This isn't about affirmations. It's not about vision boards. This is deeper. And this is something that you realize. It's not something that you do. And once you realize, your entire reality shifts. This comes from one of Neville Goddard's final lectures, just before he passed away in 1972. Revelation number 1. I am is not a phrase. It's a force. Neville said, I am within you is God. The I am within you is God, not symbolically. He meant it literally. That God isn't someone far off in the clouds. God is an awareness within you that is permeating every cell of your body and all energy behind every single one of your thoughts. And this changes everything when you know how to use it to control your reality, which I'm going to share with you in just a minute. But first, doesn't it feel pretty good to realize that God is within you? Not out there. It's not just in the church. It's not just in some holy person. It's within you. Even if you've made mistakes, even if you've sinned, even if you made bad decisions, even if bad things have happened to you, God is within you because you're a divine being. And you can comment that down below. God is within me. Comment that down below. God is within me. And I think it's really a life-changing feeling. God is within you. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of lights. James 1:17. I am the Lord and there is no other. Isaiah 45:5. So, if God is a source of wealth, love, healing, peace, abundance, why do we still feel lack? Because deep down, we think God's separate from us. And we live in a world of free will. We've chosen this illusion of separation from God as our experience. But remember, it's just an illusion of separation. But in the Bible, it doesn't say that God is near you. It says Christ is in you, the hope of glory. As long as you believe God is outside of you, you're going to be waiting. You're going to be waiting for him to fix things, waiting for blessings, waiting for proof, waiting for someone like a special holy person or something like a special religious organization that you believe you have to have in order to have a personal relationship with God. And all these things can be well and good, but they should never be the exclusive thing that leads you to understanding that you have your own personal relationship with God, that spirit is within you. And Neville's reminding us when you say, I am, you're using the name of God. I am that I am in Exodus. Be still and know I am God. So the question is, what are you attaching to God's name? I'm broke. I'm tired. I'm an idiot. I'm not good enough. I'm unlucky. You're not just describing your condition or your life. You're declaring your identity and God's identity with your I am statement. You are mislabeling God at the end of the day because God's already within you. You can't be unlucky. You can't be broke. You can't be unworthy of what you desire. In John, it says, Jesus answered them, is it not written in your law, I said, ye are gods. And when you use I am to describe anything other than your divine self, you actually negate the miracle working presence of the universe within you that's embedded in every single cell of your body, even the cells in your hand, and it's waiting for you to activate it. So I invite you to think about it like this. I am or I am not. I'm wealthy. I'm made in the image of God. I am blessed accordingly. I'm a magnet for miracles. I am good enough. I am blessed every day in every way. My life is getting better and better. I am, or I'm not. right? Neville said it like this: to be conscious of being poor while praying for riches is to be rewarded with what you are conscious of being: poverty. Revelation 2. Speak I am in stillness. So Neville invites us to practice closing our eyes and whisper silently, I am. Don't add anything to it. Not I'm rich, I am healthy. Just practice I am and feeling it. And Neville says, just like let it echo like a bell in an empty cathedral, like let it expand. This isn't something you're reaching for. It's something you're remembering who you are. Before Abraham was, I am. John 8:5-8. You're not chasing God. You're not trying to get God to show up. God's already here. God's already within you. That stillness that you're sitting in when you repeat I am, it's not emptiness. It's God. So you just close your eyes. I am. I am. I am. You can comment that down below. I am. Revelation number 3. Attach only truth to I am. So now that you have experienced like the I am presence and the energy behind these words, this is where your spiritual identity takes form. You no longer say, I want to be healed. You say, I am healed. Not because the symptoms are gone, but because healing is your new identity and it's the identity of God. So you don't say, I hope money comes. You say, I am wealth. Because in God, there is no future. There's only now. You don't say, I wish to be loved. You say, I am loved, because love isn't something you attract. It's something you radiate. It's something that is within you already. Neville said, claim yourself to be that which you desire to be. Do it in the stillness of night, and your claim will harden into fact. You're not saying these things to make them happen. You're saying them because they are already true in spirit, and they are God's nature, and you are made in the image of God. Therefore, they're your nature too. See how that works? It's just in deductive reasoning. If these are God's nature, wealth, abundance, infinite, creativity, love, miracles, and you're made in the image of God, they are your nature as well. Revelation number 4, live like God just spoke through you, because he did. When you speak I am, and you attach that truth to that, right? You aren't just saying words. You were speaking the word. The same creative power that said, let there be light. So you must walk like it's already done. God became man, and that man may become God. Neville Goddard. This isn't about ego. This is about alignment with your true self. It's about realization of actual oneness with God. So I invite you to repeat these 2 words for the next 7 days. You don't need to go looking for signs. You don't need to check your bank account constantly and be like, is it working yet? Is it working yet? You don't need to count the time. Like so closely you're counting the time that you're worrying if it's going to work and change your life and if God hears you. I invite you to know that you are already heard and you are already forgiven and it is already yours. Creation is complete. Spirit is infinite. God is infinite. Time as we know it is really just an illusion allowing us to walk through the unfolding of an already infinite and finished creation. So let me just say, like, you aren't faking it till you make it. This is about faith in God. It's awareness of spirit. It is loyalty to an unseen reality. So if this message stirred something inside of you, claim it now. Type your own I am in the comments below. Like, I am healed. I am abundant. I am loved. I am free. I am wealthy. And don't say it as a wish. Say it as a fact. I am healed. I am abundant. I am wealthy. I am free. I am loving. I am a millionaire. I am forgiven. I am lucky. I am supported. I am creative. I am good enough. Pick yours and allow the energy that's always there to guide and direct your life to get better and better in every day and in every way. Because you're made in the image of God. God's nature is all of these things. Therefore, they're your nature too. They're your true identity, and they are destined to be part of your future once you start becoming aware of them by using these two powerful words. And if you want help with that, or like there's just a bunch of blocks that you feel, like you're in a negative cycle, or you just have some negative beliefs that you had for a long time, and maybe you aren't even aware of them because they're subconscious. You don't even realize that these things are happening, but the results speak for themselves. You don't have the money you want. You haven't attracted what you want. It's because of subconscious programming. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your life. It's crazy. Sub means below. So below conscious, we aren't even aware. 95% of your entire life is an unaware level of thought. Me too. Everyone, the smartest person in the world, it's the same way. The question is just, how has yours been programmed? And all the top neuroscientists and psychologists tell us at least 70 to 80% of subconscious programming is negative and redundant. So there's a negative record player that's controlling all of your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, and your behaviors. It's keeping you from getting the money you want, the love you want, the success you want, the health you want, the relationships you want, the happiness you want. But it's easy to reprogram. I have a free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. I originally made it for myself like 10 years ago. I was making like $1,500 a month. Within 24 months, I'd become a millionaire. And over 1 million people from all over the world have downloaded and used it now. Every day I get these epic stories of people that get new jobs, attract money out of nowhere that they needed for bills. They attract their soulmate, all these epic things. Every day I get these stories. It's free. Just share your success story. It's all I ask in return. I love to see it in the comments right there down below. Give me a comment down below that says, I am made in the image of God. Wishing you a beautiful day. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, bell notification. You are going to have a blessed day when you remember to repeat these words. I am.